Number 6, daily movement. This is super important for everything. Your muscles, tendons, articulations, bones, organs, digestive systems. Sorry, have to go to the other side now. And also for your mood, it definitely lifts up the spirit. If you can't go out for a walk every day, do exercise at home. There's so many videos in YouTube now. So you don't know where to begin? Well, there is Zumba, kind of dancing movements, quite easy, that everybody can do. So sport through easy dance movements. And then there is Pilates. These are exercises on the mat for specific muscles. Very good for you. And you guys know I love yoga because it also takes in stretches. It works on the organs and the more deep tissue in your body, and on some good deep breathing. So it's really good for you. I would definitely also recommend some easy stretches in bed once you wake up, and if not later in the day. So both stretching and exercise are important to maintain your health and well-being all throughout your life. Number 7, daily meditation, deep breathing, mindfulness, journaling, listening to beautiful music.